Within the showy little one-handed universe of knot tying,
we've already shown you the one-handed horse hitch, so if you're interested in that knot, check the link in the corner.
What we'll be concerned with today will be the one-handed clove as well as the flying clove hitch. As for the flying clove, it's all kinds of kung fu timing and coordination that only 10,000 hours of practice can master. So we'll show it to you again in slow motion so you can copy it and kick your own ass practicing it for a lifetime. As for the one-handed clove, no tedious than any other knot, and so let's see if we can complicate this tutorial a little further for our own endeavors. Easy bowcraft, you make learning fun.
Kids, shut up.
Single-handed clove hitch. Take your standing line, thread it through your fingers like so, put your palm towards your face, go around your standing line and underneath it, let your working end cross over your knuckles, pull, and you have your clove hitch.
As always, don't forget to remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, the ship's sinking, but the bar is still serving. Kung Fu.
It means supreme skill from hard work. A great poet has reached.
Kung Fu.
The painter, the calligrapher, they can be said to have
Kung Fu.
even the cook, the one who sweeps steps, or a masterful servant can have
Kung Fu. Kung Fu.
Practice, preparation, endless repetition, until your mind is weary and your bones ache, until you're too tired to sweat, too wasted to breathe. That is the way, the only way one acquires Kung Fu. Unfortunately, boy, you have not.
They don't like us. They don't like us. They ain't gotta like us.
Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Kung Fu.